to Vocab with Aileen. Today's big powerful word is obliterate. Let's try saying it together. Obliterate. Obliterate means to completely destroy or wipe something out so that's gone. Poof! Vanished. Imagine you build a giant tower of blocks and then your little cat jumps on it. The cat obliterated your tower. Or picture eating a chocolate bar so fast there's no crumb left behind. Yup, you obliterated the chocolate. Let's see how we can use it in a sentence. I obliterated my homework with my amazing pencil. Or the rain obliterated my chalk drawing on the sidewalk. So, remember everyone, obliterate is a word you can use when something disappears in a big or dramatic way. Now, go out there, my little word wizard, and obliterate your boredom with your awesome imagination. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vocab with Aileen. Bye!